What's up, guys? Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to talk about what you need to set up a new high-ticket dropshipping store. So if your first time watching one of my videos, listening to the podcast, go to ecommerceparadise.com/niches and get your free high-ticket niches list. 1,000+ niche ideas. You can choose any one of those and start a high-ticket store today and start making money. All right, so this essential setup can be found at ecommerceparadise.com/resources. Basically, you're going to need a few things in order to start your store. Now, number one, beyond this essential setup list is you're going to need a laptop or a computer and an internet connection, and you need to know how to use your computer. I would recommend definitely setting up a Gmail account that's free, and I would definitely recommend setting up Claude, Claude. My referral link is ecommerceparadise.com/Claude, and using that link, you'll get some free credits. So I definitely recommend signing up with that link. Link is in the description below. And Claude is amazing because Claude will do so much stuff for you. It's like your own personal assistant. So get it going and start practicing using it a lot because it's going to help you a lot with your business. But beyond that, you're going to need a few things before you start. Okay? And this is pretty much essential for everyone. Number one is you should get an LLC. Now, really, at the end of the day, you might not have to. You can run your business as a sole proprietorship, but depending on your situation, usually people have some kind of assets to protect, whether it be, like a house or a brokerage account or some kind of assets. You want an LLC because you want to separate your business from your personal assets so that if your business gets sued or goes bankrupt, your personal assets can't be seized. Only your business assets can be seized. And the best LLC formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. That's the one I recommend. You can go to ecommerceparadise.com/Northwest to get started with them. It's $39 to form. And the reason why I recommend them is because they keep privacy first. So you don't have to put any of your actual information publicly. And that's the best thing about it, okay? So you'll get limited liability protection. You'll be able to set up a Dun & Bradstreet profile later to get business credit built. You'll be able to have credibility with suppliers right away and keep a clean separation between your personal and business finances the whole time. All right, once you have your LLC, you'll need to get an EIN. EIN number is something issued by the federal U.S. government. If you are forming a business from outside the States and you're not a U.S. citizen, an EIN number is absolutely essential. And so basically, EINs are free to get. You can get one with Northwest Registered Agent or with whatever LLC formation service you choose to go with. But they can do it for you as part of the package. Now, once you have your LLC and your EIN, I would recommend forming in a state like Wyoming where they don't have any franchise fee. There's no income tax and privacy is really good. So Wyoming is the best state still to form in. So form there. But once you have the LLC and the EIN, you can go get a business bank account. And a business bank account is really key because that's what you need to receive funds for your business and to pay off, creditors or vendors, credit cards. So if you're in the US, I would recommend using a US bank like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, something like that, whatever is close to you and easy to use. If you're outside the US, use something like Mercury or Wise, or set up a local bank and then have your payment processor move the funds around. You'll have to figure that out. But if you're interested in setting up Mercury, which is one of the best banks for people that live abroad, use our referral link, ecommerceparadise.com/Mercury. All right. And then once you have that, definitely look into getting some credit cards for your business. Credit cards almost always come with a sign-up bonus. So don't sign up with the credit card unless it provides a sign-up bonus. But I have a whole list of the best credit cards for dropshipping, ecommerceparadise.com/credit cards. Go read that, and you'll be able to figure out which one's the best ones to start with. There's lots of different options for different people. And for high-ticket dropshipping, really the key is you just want to have one card to start with for everything. And then you can start to optimize as you have more spend in different places. But the best two different cards for everything are the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited card and the Capital One Spark Cash or Miles card. And now they're known as different things, and they might be known as different things in the future too. But those types of credit cards where you get unlimited points or points on unlimited spend, those are the ones to go with. All right. And then, once you have that all set up, you'll need to get a seller's permit. But these days, seller's permits are a little bit tricky to get. A lot of times, the actual states don't want to issue a seller's permit until you have a certain amount of sales in their state to get that seller's permit. It's around 100,000 and it changes for each state. So usually what we set up now with is the multi-jurisdictional seller's permit. And what that allows you to do is just put your EIN number on it and your business information and then give it to your supplier. And they will charge you sales tax in the states where they have to ship items to for you that they have a Nexus in. So because of that, all you need to do is get that list of states that they charge sales tax in and input into your Shopify store, and you'll be charging sales tax in those states as well. Or you can just eat the sales tax. It's up to you. It really depends on your margins. All right. Now, before you can start your store, you're going to need a domain, a website. That is really the digital real estate where your business is going to live, is your domain name. I recommend using Namecheap because they have the lowest cost and they're very easy to use. Namecheap is one of the best providers for domains, I believe. So if you want to get your name at Namecheap, ecommerceparadise.com/Namecheap, or link is in the description below. But it's around $11 to $12 per year. There's other domain providers, but usually they charge more. And it's for the same service, so just get it with Namecheap. All right, next you'll need a professional business email. You can set it up with Google Workspace. That's my recommended provider because you'll have access to all of the different Google softwares and services and whatnot. And Gmail being one of the best, CRM systems that you can use for your business. Very simple, very easy to use. Go to ecommerceparadise.com/Google Workspace or click the link in the description below. But it is $8 per user per month. And I usually just set up one user, sales at, and you can use sales for almost anything. So maybe later on you want to have a different, email account completely to separate between customer support versus like supplier outreach or something. So you can do support at later on. But the cool thing about Google Workspace, it gives you access to all of Google's ecosystem. So Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google everything. And it's all built in, which is nice. So I use it for myself. I use it for every client. There's other email providers out here, like Zoho, for example. Zoho is a great provider. They also have a CRM system and all that stuff. You can check them out. But, I use Google Workspace for high-ticket dropshipping. All right, next, for high-ticket dropshipping, you really got to have a phone number. A business phone number is really important. You can get a local area code. You can get an 888 number, 866, or 800, whatever. It's up to you. I recommend going with a company called Kuo because they have AI built into it. They do not charge you extra per minute, and they give you a business phone number, and it's very inexpensive. It's only $20 a month to get going, so it's one of the least expensive ones. I used to use Grasshopper, but they kind of failed to keep up, and they also have problems if you start traveling abroad. So Kuo is really good. I recommend them. ecommerceparadise.com/Kuo, Quo. They have a AI virtual answering assistant called Sona, and you can train it on your store. You can train it on how to answer calls. You can train it on your products, all that stuff. So I really like it. All right, and then the foundation of your business, really your e-commerce platform, has to be Shopify nowadays. Shopify is the easiest one to use. It's tied in with almost everything. It's just fantastic for this business model. So I recommend using Shopify. ecommerceparadise.com/Shopify will get you a $1 per month for the first 3 months. And I think the free trial is like 3 days or something like that. And then after 3 months or whatever, you pay $39 a month. So it's really affordable. As far as Shopify themes go, I recommend if you want a premium theme, go with a Superstore theme by Pixel Union. There's other premium themes as well. ecommerceparadise.com/Superstore theme. But that theme is really, really good. And it's built with high-ticket dropshipping in mind. So that's a good one to go with. However, you don't need to use that. You can just use Shopify's built-in Horizon theme. Horizon is a brand new theme by Shopify, and it's really, really good. Has everything, and you can use Shopify's AI Sidekick to build out different parts of your theme. So you can make it look really professional, just like your competitors. All right, now there's a bunch of Shopify apps I recommend setting up with. So if you guys want access to that Shopify app guide, just go to ecommerceparadise.com/best Shopify apps. Link is in the description below. And there's a lot of apps that you can set up in your store. But the key ones, the ones that really matter the most are number one, Klaviyo for email marketing, Klaviyo, Klaviyo. ecommerceparadise.com/Klaviyo to set that up. That email marketing platform is the best for high ticket dropshipping. It allows you to put your products right into the emails. It's really easy to get going, and you'll want to just set up an abandoned cart, abandoned checkout flow, welcome series, a thank you flow, that kind of stuff. Flows are like automated email series that get sent out to people when they engage with you. And they also have pop-ups that you can use built into Klaviyo, so you don't have to pay for that if you don't want to. All right, the next one is live chat. Now, there is a built-in Shopify live chat that's completely free. It's called Shopify Inbox, but it's very limited. And if you want one that will actually provide you with an AI that can do live chat for you and learn your catalog and respond to questions and sell for you, go with Tidio, Tidio, ecommerceparadise.com/Tidio. Link is in the description below. And Tidio is really, really cool because not only do they have the AI, but they also have the ability to have a pop-up right when someone gets to your site that offers them a coupon in exchange for their email. And it's like a live chat format. So it's really, really good for getting leads as well. So you don't need that Klaviyo pop-up to block the screen. The live chat is a little bit less invasive. And it kind of makes a little ding and it gets someone's attention and lets them know you're there and they can chat with you. So Tidio is really good. It is a premium app, right? So it does cost some money after the free trial, but it's worth it. All right, and then for reviews, a review app like Judge Me or Yotpo, those are perfectly fine. ecommerceparadise.com/Yotpo if you want to go with them. Judge Me is really easy to use as well. ecommerceparadise.com/JudgeMe. Any review app, but you got to have a review app on your site. Somehow you have to collect reviews and display them for your products, okay? And that's pretty much it to get started. There's more you'll need later on, but that's really the essential setup for your high-ticket dropshipping store. That's all you need. If you guys are interested in having us do the work for you, like if you have some money, but you just don't have any time and you want to get one of these businesses going because you want like a location independent income, go check our done for you services, ecommerceparadise.com/DFY or /turnkey. We have a done for you service where we'll actually set all this stuff up for you. We'll have some coaching calls where you'll learn how it all works and then hand it off. So that's a great way to go about it just because you save yourself a lot of time and headache trying to learn in the beginning. Now, if you guys want to learn just by watching my videos and stuff like that, I have an over-the-shoulder masterclass available on my Patreon, ecommerceparadise.com/masterclass, and you can learn more about that. And it comes with a Discord community as well. So get involved, guys, and get involved and ask me questions. I'm here to help you. Been doing this stuff for like 15 plus years, and I love doing it. It's my favorite business model. Still is. Probably always will be. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Comment below if you have any questions. Get going today, guys. Don't wait. Okay, the longer you wait, well, you're just going to miss out, I guess. It is what it is. See you guys out there. Take care.